How to add shutdown or restart icon on Android home screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch settings application on a device. Scroll down. Now look for the option of additional settings and open it. Choose accessibility. Now tap on shortcut from lock screen and toggle the button on. Now choose accessibility button and here you need to tap on location, and here you can select floating button or you can even tap on it again and tap on navigation bar. You can easily tap on size and make it small, and transparency when not in use you can easily toggle the button or simply use the sliders, and turn on fade when not in use. Come back and now tap on accessibility menu and toggle the button on for a shortcut. After that, you need to simply tap on the shortcut icon or accessibility icon at top right. And you need to tap on three dots and here you can easily get your shutdown or restart icon on your Android home screen. When you tap on power, you'll easily get the both option, that is restart or power off. So in this way, you can easily add shutdown or restart icon on Android home screen. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.